Chandigarh is commonly associated with Le Corbusier, whose modernist influence permeates the city's architecture. Reflecting this architectural language is the work of young firms like Charged Voids, who are exploring local materials and traditional forms while maintaining rigid, geometric elements in their projects. Residence 91 exemplifies this idea, blending tradition and modernity to celebrate the concept of communal living. Designed to be more than just a machine for living, the home brings together 3 generations of a family in a serene, light-filled sanctuary surrounded by lush greenery. Located on a corner plot, the idea for the house evolved from an analysis of the family setups of large Indian families in an urban context. Thus, the design seeks to balance private and public spaces while allowing for a connection to nature. The exterior openings in the facade vary in size, concealing and revealing the surroundings through smart design. A rat trap bond brick masonry technique was adopted to ensure acoustic and thermal insulation. This unconventional brick bond also allowed for the creation of rhythmic patterns on the facade, adding visual appeal to the design and breaking the monotony of a plain exterior. The layout of the 7-bedroom home is structured around a central courtyard. Its design is introspective, creating an inward-looking oasis that provides privacy and noise reduction. The common areas on each floor connect directly to the courtyard, an intervention that revitalizes the traditional veranda. The introspective nature of the design aims to strengthen familial relationships with an exterior that quietly distinguishes itself from its surroundings. The various spatial volumes are interconnected by voids in the building as a response to the tradition of maintaining close ties within large Indian families. The ground floor houses the public spaces, such as the living and dining areas, a double-height kitchen with a skylight, a separate spice kitchen, and the elderly parents' bedroom. A semi-covered veranda with a water feature extends from the living room. The volume of the courtyard expands and contracts on each level, giving rise to transitional spaces and quiet corners. With skylights bringing in diffused natural light, each space within the house enjoys different relationships with the outdoors, while the surrounding landscaping ensures a sense of tranquility permeates the interiors. The upper floors house the bedrooms of the younger couple and their child, along with a family lounge and kitchen, featuring an outdoor recreational space. Volumetric expansions on each floor include covered terraces and gardens, creating dynamic transitional spaces that balance openness and encourage interaction between the older and younger generations of the family. Everything within the brick-clad structure was meticulously planned, from the size of the courtyards to the views from the openings, ensuring a sense of connection and serenity. The vistas framed by the openings were also not left to chance. On the first floor, windows align with the tops of the trees, ensuring verdant views for the residents. Larger openings were designed to face north, while the smaller ones face south, thus reducing heat gain inside. Deep verandas on the second and third floors, with covered terraces and gardens, help lower interior temperatures. The courtyard transforms into a sunken garden in the basement, connecting with the courtyard on the upper floor. The basement is dedicated to private gatherings, with a lounge and entertainment area accompanied by a guest bedroom. By creating a comfortable environment for the occupants, the design explores how the simple interplay of built and open, natural and man-made can induce feelings of warmth and familial connection. Residence 91 demonstrates how pragmatic solutions can lead to surprising results and how one can work within set boundaries while still thinking outside the metaphorical box.